on, Tiff, come and check out this little bad boy. Look at it.
Look, it's taken me 2.5 hours to get here and you can't rush a bacon sandwich.
That's true.
And you brought me here for a Caterham.
It's the brand spanking new Caterham 170S, the entry-level Caterham.
170, which means in Caterham divided by 2, 85 horsepower.
Yep.
Well, come on, Paul. The current entry level is the 270s with 137 horsepower. I mean, how's this going to compete?
The lightest Caterham ever built, 450 kilograms. It's like a postage stamp.
450 kilograms. Well, that sounds fun. It was about £7,000 cheaper than the current entry level.
Yeah, so this is going to cost you a shade under 23 grand. The 270 entry level is currently just about 30 grand.
With leather seats. They're not included in the £23,000 price now, are they? They're pretty extras. But
there's a few extras
leather
on this,
seats. I'm getting interested now because Caterhams aren't famous for their comfort.
Brand new LED lights. These are a brand new thing for Caterham, so they're going to launch them on this car.
Is that it? You're going to be excited about LED lights now?
I'm just excited about the car.
It's the same bodywork though. Same bodywork.
Same bodywork, different engine. It's a little three-cylinder turbocharged Suzuki engine, 660cc.
How do you get into these
You're
things?
ready for
I never know.
a drive already?
Well, I'm gentle. It's a road car, so let's just go. How do I get the door open? I can smell the leather.
You're right there. You want some help? Sadly, I'm going to have to be very close to you because it's quite tight. But I'll let you get in first. And
I've got to find a seat belt. Wait a minute.
I want you to be comfortable.
How do I plug? Oh, flip it now. I can't even.
With Tiff now comfortable, it was time for an all too socially non-distance road test around the track in this 170S.
It's lovely, isn't it? Leather seats, comfortable leather seats.
Smell of it, the smell of the leather.
It's a bit closer, I've got to...
Get out of the way, get out of it.
Whoosh!
It's quite perky on acceleration, isn't it?
It is perky on acceleration.
What's his 0 to 60 then, do you know?
We don't really talk about 0 to 60 with this car, to be honest with you, Tiff. It's more about the fun and the enjoyment and how fast you can go around corners.
5-speed gearbox included.
It's really tight gearbox ratio, as you would expect.
Road suspension pack. Well, I wouldn't have thought anything else. I mean, it's a road car, therefore road suspension.
But you know what? It's still going to be fast around a track, isn't it? It's a Caterham. It's
full
light.
windscreen.
Thank you.
Unique key, gear knob and instruments.
Well,
What's unique about them?
They're unique to Caterham.
Leather panel, that's actually an extra 500 quid, so I wouldn't bother with that.
No, I don't think I'd bother with that.
Momo quick release, 150 quid. No, I wouldn't bother with that either.
I would probably get the nice Alcantara one as per my race car, but... Yeah,
as per my race car? Oh, have you got a race car? I didn't know that. You've got a race... All right, okay, hold on a minute. Lowered floors, you know what that's all about?
Just to give you a bit more room, because, you know, I'm quite tall and all that.
Which bit they lower then? Under the seats?
Under the seats.
That's 500 quid.
Whole floor panel, so that's good.
Here's the crunch. The diamond seat leather stitching, seat armrest, biscuit, tunnel top primary, £1,500.
They're beautiful seats, they're lovely seats. But I think the whole message is you can, like any car, have lots of optional extras. But you can buy this car for a shade under £23,000 or financing for a couple hundred quid a month.
You can go a bit
and
faster
you've got a Caterham.
All right.
Whoa. The pedals are so close together. Take a bit of curve.
Oh, that was quite comfortable, wasn't it?
That was good.
Well, you can hit it harder next time.
I wonder what the brakes are like.
All right, go on. Let's have some real...
The brakes. Brakes. Ah, too early. Whoa, far too early. Whoa.
Have you finished yet? Have you finished?
You know how I feel. What a brilliant little car.
The only thing is, if you turned up on a track day with this, people might look at you and think, well, that's just a road-going Caterham. I mean, that's the only disappointing thing about this 170.
Tiff Needell, today's your lucky day because let's pull in here and learn the hold. Look at that!
flipping boy racer. Oh, look, a nice Suede Momo steering wheel. Very funny, very funny. Obviously, this is a left-hand drive demonstrator. Oh, but it comes with it's like a very handy optional extra, and a little press pack here. So this is the 170R version, same 85 horsepower. But it's 440 kilograms. That's 25 kilograms lighter, better power to weight ratio, 192 horsepower per tonne. Sport suspension pack, a bit stiffer, I'm sure. What else is different? The price, £1,000 more. But those prices, 23,900, is the build yourself price. So in fact, the S that Paul was showing is more like 25,000, and this is more like 24, 26,000. So yes, more than we thought at first. Limited slip differential. Now that was important because that'll help me beat Paul, although I'm going to beat Paul anyway, but it'd be easier to beat him. I think he's a racing driver nowadays. A few Caterham races, Formula 1, Le Mans. Anyway, let's put the steering wheel back where it belongs. Sort out my racing harness to get in. Slide into the lovely carbon race seat. Don't sit on your belts when you're getting in. It's always a big error. Make sure you lift them first. Then it's just click number 1, 2, 3. Pull them all nice and tight. Don the optional extras. Crash helmet might be better on track days, but not for today. Ignition on. Starter. Bye.
Looks like the Red Baron's in the mirrors. Time to let the fun begin.
I got 5th instead of 3rd. I've lost ground and I'm wild. Oh.
He's off the track. He's off the track. Oh, now he's coming. He's coming. Down the inside. He's going down the inside. No, he's not. Got it. Block him.
Shut me off.
Whoa, who does he think he is? Formula 1 driver.
I bet with his windscreen on, he doesn't care about his hair. Let us state the mind.
Whoa.
The wrong gear, Tiff. Oh no, I've lost him again.
Come on then, Tiff. What's he got? Oh, he's going down the inside. Whoa! He's got me on the brake.
We nearly crashed. I've got him now.
He got me with a massive lock-up. Come on then.
I can't hear the engine, so I keep on hitting the limiter. Where is he?
I got it down the inside. I got it down the inside.
No! Lock the front brakes up. Whoa, bit of a drop.
Well, I got down the inside this time. I got down the inside.
I can force him wide. He's gone wide. He's gone wide. He's gone wide. I tell you what, This Caterham stuff is tiring, but I'll wear him down. I'm a Le Mans 24-hour driver. You won't kill me, Woodman. You can keep going for as long as you want.
It's safe to say that driving a Caterham is one of the most fun experiences you'll ever have in a car. It's not about horsepower, money or luxury. There's just such a basic charm and a real thrill to being behind the wheel of one. So much so, I don't think either of us are quite ready to call it a day just yet.